Today discuss on the current situation of Delhi Red Fort. Nowadays, the Delhi Red Fort has been seized by the CISF Central Industrial Security Forces because since last 26 January there is nobody is allowed to go inside for visiting at these historical sites and tourist places because since 26 January you all know, as you all know about that, there was a farmer protesting and some anti-social elements was entered and they started to misbehave with the flags, even though that flag but no it Khalistani, but that was the flag of the Nishan-e-Shaib, so that's not an issue. But the current situation is that there is nobody allowed inside the Red Fort, and CISF is over there, and all the parts spread out in all parts of Delhi Red Fort, and the periphery main construction is going on. The periphery is seals from all the side of this fort, and now let's come on the other hands of this fort history and who made this and why, what the history related with this historical monuments. Let's come first of all. Mughal emperor was constructed by the Angpal Doma in 1638 of this fort, and when he was decided to shift their Rajdhani from Agra to New Delhi, so it is the main reasons to construct on the earlier of 10th century of this fort by the Angpal Tomar. Okay, and the main parts which you can visit inside the Red Fort, that is Diwan-e Khas, Diwan-e-Aam, Nawab Khana and Shahjahanabad, and a lot of things, and just surrounding you can visit Shakti Sthal, Rajghat and Shantivan also, Vijay Ghat also. Okay, and there is a lot of historical monuments are situated over here. And let's come on to next topic. Next one is Bahadur Shah Zafar was fell the last emperor over here in 1837. Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. This is related to the revolution of 1857 mutiny, which was started from Meerut by the shot fired by Mangal Pandey, which was known as the greatest revolutionary in our country. So this one is the one issue. And let's come to the nearest metro stations of Delhi Red Fort. Netaji Subhash Nagar Marg is the nearest metro stations over here, and one next is Chandni Chowk metro stations is very closest to this Red Fort, and the periphery is a lot of 600 yards I think. And right now the places where the Mahatma Gandhi Mahatma Gandhi's samadhis, I mean grave, was situated in 600 meters away from the airports, and you can also visit that historical view. And also Shantivan, Nehruji and Shakti Sthalendra, Vijay Ghat, Rajiv Gandhi, and next one is Rajghat. Gandhiji, also known as Father of the Nations. If you want to visit, you can over there. You can go over there. Okay. So next thing is how you can visit, how you can plan your journey, how you can visit this historical sites. If you want to visit here, so I suggest you pick up the metro station, metro from Hazrat Nizamuddin. If you are coming from the southern parts of the India, you can pick up a metro from Hazrat Nizamuddin Sarai Kale Khan, and you can directly come here in Chandni Chowk metro stations and landed over there. Then directly at almost 200 meters away there is you will find the Red Fort. Okay, and next thing is, if you want to come with any auto taxi, you can hire them, and if you want to walk, you can come to visit here only on foot. Okay, and the next one is but this time the current situation of Delhi Red Fort is totally sealed. You will not be allowed because here is nobody is allowed to go inside the fort, and even I was entered with safely with the permissions of the security guards from the gate. There was no restrictions for me. I was securely entered, okay, and I was visited the place um, about the periphery. And although the fort is so length, width is so high, biggest, but I decided to come back from at almost 200 meters. I was come just back from there. So if you want to go there, you can go inside with the permissions of the security guards, and Delhi police barricades are also spread out over there. If you will go then with the permission, but right now civilian person or civil persons not allowed inside to go inside the Red Fort. So I hope you will go definitely in when you will plan your journey in your future time. If you want to, then you can by easily way, okay. And next one thing is your journey will be safe when you will visit the place and securely. Nobody, because current situation, according to this situations of presently, you will not be come over here, and the best season to visit this place is at almost you can come here October to Feb month, even November and March, November maybe. And best time to visit Red Fort and all surrounding parts of Red Fort, November to February is the best season, I think, okay. And even if you want to come by bus, by train, or even already suggest you, okay. And next thing is surrounding parts over here. Jama Masjid is also over here, Jama Masjid, and the restaurant food is very tasty over there. And a lot of monuments such as Chandni Chowk, and you can pick up bus also from here to Supreme Court, High Court and Parliament House, and India Gate also. Mukherjee Nagar at almost from here 9 kilometers away, and a lot of monuments over here. So you can visit with according to the season with your best wishes. I regard to this situation, this current presently the situation is very hazardous over here, and I suggest do your well, come visit the place, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, have a nice time.